Hello friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher. I am Pawan. Today I am going to show you how to install Pixel UI Plus ROM on your Motorola G5 Plus device. So you can see it's a very awesome ROM and it came with most of Pixel applications and fonts, and it has so many features including ARM 64-bit ROM. So you can install this from following this guide. And also, if you want to install a custom ROM on this device, you need to definitely unlock your bootloader and you need to install TWRP recovery. If you don't know the way of installing TWRP recovery on your device and also how to unlock your bootloader, you can watch my previous tutorial which I have included in the description of this video, and then you will be able to unlock your bootloader and install TWRP recovery. And the process of installing TWRP recovery and unlocking bootloader, also the installing process of custom ROM, you need to backup everything on your phone including your phone memory to your PC or otherwise your external SD card. So let's start our video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay guys, now I have backed up everything on my device. Now I am going to install this custom ROM on my device. So I need to power off my phone and I need to boot into my TWRP recovery. Now I have successfully powered off my device. Now I need to press my volume key and power key together until my bootloader will appear on the screen. So when it came to here, I need to select my recovery mode from pressing this volume keys. So then press start power on button again to boot into your recovery mode. Now we have successfully entered to our TWRP recovery. Okay friends, now I am going to install this custom ROM on my device. If I need to backup my previous ROM, I can backup that ROM from this backup option, and then I need to select my system image, boot, recovery, vendor image, persist, EFS logo, and select everything as shape data, and you can backup your current ROM. If you were unable to backup your phone, you can use this data partition backup option too. I have already backed up everything on my phone. Now I am going to install this custom ROM. First of all, I need to reset my device and then go to advanced wipe option and select Dalvik cache system data and your cache folders. Don't select your internal storage and micro SD card. Then use this option. Now go to this install option. Then select the place where you placed your custom ROM. Now flash your custom ROM. Now wait until completing of patching process of your system image. Now click on reboot system option. Now you can see we have successfully installed Pixel UI Plus ROM. on our Moto G5 Plus device. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.